In an ancient time, in the land of Sham, there was a righteous man named Najm al-Ayyub, a great leader known for his bravery and wisdom. Najm al-Din married a noble woman named Sitt al-Sham, who was also of good character and faith. The couple lived a good life and wished for God to grant them a pious son who would be a worthy successor. Sitt al-Sham would pray fervently at night, saying, "O Lord, grant me a righteous son who will aid Islam and Muslims, and be a great leader upholding truth and justice." Her prayers were answered, and one day, Najm al-Din received the news that his wife had given birth to a baby boy. Najm al-Din Ayyub was overjoyed and thanked God for this great blessing. They named the baby Yusuf, but he would later be known as Salah al-Din. From a young age, Salah al-Din stood out for his sharp intellect and love of knowledge. His father, Najm al-Din, taught him the Holy Quran and encouraged him to learn, taking him along on his military campaigns to teach him horsemanship and combat skills. Salah al-Din grew up to become a strong and brave young man, loved by the people for his justice and humility. At that time, Muslim lands were suffering from division and disunity, and Jerusalem was under Crusader occupation. Salah al-Din realized that liberating Jerusalem would not be possible unless Muslims united under one banner. One day, Salah al-Din sat down with his father and said, "Father, you have taught me how to be a righteous man, and now I want to repay this favor by liberating Jerusalem from the Crusaders. But I know this will not happen unless the Muslim nation unites." Najm al-Din replied, "My son, you were born by God's grace through your mother's pious prayers, and I am confident that you will achieve this noble goal. Be just and merciful, and always remember that true strength lies in unity and justice." Salah al-Din began uniting the Muslim emirates, calling on leaders and kings to unite for a greater cause. He treated everyone with justice and equality, urging them to set aside their differences and unite under the banner of Islam.